Create a square document. Create a solid color layer. And pick a background color. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Make 2 columns and 2 rows. Select the ellipse tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. And select No Color for the stroke. Create a circle. Press Ctrl+T, and make the circle the same size as the canvas. Place the circle in the bottom right corner. Rasterize the ellipse layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Select the area with the shape. And press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Press Ctrl+T and place this shape in the top left corner. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Press Ctrl+T, and place the shape in the top right corner. Rotate the shape 180 degrees. Select the Paint Bucket tool. And change the foreground color to your liking. Paint the shape in the top right corner. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape. Press Ctrl+T, and place this shape in the bottom left corner. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. You can delete all these layers now. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. And adjust the scale to your liking. And that's how you create this pattern.